Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Um, Yesterday I left off working at the RSX. Alright. As y'all can see, the inside is way better now. Like, look at this. I even found this freaking RSX floor mats. So there's a bunch of stuff back there. You don't gotta worry about that. But but look at the inside now. Like, it's like the seats, apart from the seats, like the inside, it's like way much cleaner. Like, it's clean. Like, you know, there's a bunch of bolts. You know, I gotta put back to the seats, and I'm gonna try to show you all that, like the process and all that. But it's way much cleaner. So maybe soon some new seats. Who knows? But I'm really digging this floor mats. You know, really clean, but shouldn't be too bad for now. So for the inside, all I had to do was take these bolts out. If you don't know the bolt millimeter, it's this right here, 14 millimeter. And also you will have to unplug these plugs right here for the seats, which I don't even know what these are for. So all you have to do is like pretty much like put them back, like plug and play, you know. So shouldn't be that hard. So it's 3 of them. This one, and this one right here. Pretty simple. And then oh, look what I found. Let me know if y'all need one. You know, drop a comment down below. $5, $10. Let me know. Clean. Same thing with the other side, but the other side's a little different. I'll be showing y'all right now. Once it's done, I'll show y'all. Like, look at this carpet, like it's clean. Like, it would just need like a quick vacuum, pretty much, and then you're good to go. So for this, it would just be this bolt right here in the back, as y'all can see. You know, very simple, guys. You know, just try not to like make it like too tight either, because after a while, like, the bolt is gonna get really hard in there and stuck, so you don't want that either. And then it's gonna be all nasty and low, roasted, I think it's rusted, and you don't want that. So just nice and tight, like, you know, like with the wrist, pretty much right there. Cause like, look at this one. This one's like rusted, but I'm just gonna reuse it because I don't have an extra one. So when I get my hands on another one, I'll be switching that out. That's for sure. So let's see. Oh man, I'll go back to that one. Let's see the front. I'll show you the front. So the front is a little different. The bolts are actually right here on the side. Right. So just give it some time, just be patient, you know, and then it should be good. Good to go. Let's see, just make sure. Alright, y'all heard that click? There it is. That's all you gotta do, just a click, and then you're good. The other one is somewhere over here. Let's see if I can put the camera down so y'all can see. There it is. So it should be pretty straight now. go back to the other side. So let me just put the seat back. Let's see. Oh yeah, perfect. So yeah, this thing definitely needs a wash ASAP like that. So here it is, guys. Y'all can get a view of myself, so that I actually am recording this time. So as y'all can see, definitely need a wash. Look at that view. Like today's like a really good day, you know. So where I left off is right here. So you have to take off this screw right here, and then obviously like all these plugs right here on the side, and I mean on the side, on the bottom. So I believe this one, it's like on this one it has 4, as y'all can see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's plug this one in, and it should be plug and play, real simple. Let me see, I think I might need 2 phones for this one, but I doubt it. Let's just hope for the best right now. And legit. Man, what does this one go on? This one goes... Man, I have no idea. I'm missing the plug. Well, let me just put this screw. Little gold screw, you know. Right here. Just hand tie it for now. And then just get your this. Oh, by the way, this is a 10. I forgot to mention it, so just hand tying it right now. Only thing I need to quick now and really get this one like in there. So it should be good just like that. So, as y'all can see, you know, just turning it. So y'all can see this has to go through here, and then put that through there. There it is. Y'all see that? So let me actually try this. So, finesse me again. So it still needs to be more tight, so as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and tie it more. Then the last plug should be that one right there. So, and this one should go right here in this plug. So for that, I would obviously need to put the seat down because it does not reach. So. So yeah, guys, there it is, clicked on. So If only y'all knew the struggle with installing these seats right here. Man. There is a struggle here. Obviously. Because you gotta get them aligned, like, not like properly, but like right. Because if you don't, then you're pretty much screwed when it comes to an accident. So let me come down here and show you right here. So like, I don't really think I know everything, you know, because I really don't. And I actually learned everything from like myself, like YouTube, or if not, then the homies. Y'all seen them on the videos. So I just noticed it's getting really dark, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this like real quick, and then I'll show you how it looks. So I'll be right back, guys. Yesterday, where I left off, actually, I didn't want to record it because it was too late either way. So it was like around 7:30 p.m. and the sun here already was dropping, so there was no way. I didn't want to pop out my flashlight from the phone or anything like that. It was gonna be like whack ass quality either way. So yeah. So today I just installed the carpet. I finished it. You know, I cleaned the inside, like it's way cleaner now. And as y'all can see, like it's getting dark. Look at that. It's already getting dark and everything. So why even bother like talking and talking? But as y'all can see, like the inside, like it's way cleaner now. Like apart from the seats, like way cleaner. Like y'all can't even see that, but like the carpet just needs to be clean. That's about it. And today I'll probably just show y'all that, and probably maybe like a little cinematic of the car. I went to a cool spot of mine that's around here by my house, so I'll show you that, and I try to make a clean video today. You know, like that's my goal. Like I'm learning as I go, pretty much, and I'll probably end the video here. So I'll just show you the car because I actually did finish it right now. So I will show you right now, and the cinematic of the car. And thanks again, guys, and I'll see y'all guys next time. Peace out.